Good morning, students. Last time we had started with our first lesson of your textbook, that is the sentence lesson 1, right? Of your grammar textbook. So let us do further in of this lesson. We had reached up to exclamatory sentences or exclamations. So let us study them further. What are exclamatory sentences? An exclamatory sentence expresses some strong feeling, right? It shows you some strong feeling. For example, how beautiful the butterfly is. That means the butterfly is very beautiful. That is why to express that feeling of beauty, we are saying how beautiful the butterfly is, and there is an exclamation mark at the end. Then next is what a nuisance it is. That means that the happening is very annoying or something very bad. So to express that strong feeling of something very bad, we say what a nuisance it is, right? Note that in order to make an exclamatory sentence forceful, we use a slightly different word order. अगर इसको स्टेटमेंट में कन्वर्ट करते हैं तो दैट द बटरफ्लाई इज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, वी कैन से दैट, राइट? बट दैट्स अ फ्लैट सिंपल स्टेटमेंट. It does not symbolize any strong emphasis on the beauty of the butterfly. So here we are emphasizing strongly on the beauty of the butterfly. So we say how beautiful the butterfly is. For expressing such strong feelings, we also use words like wow, then wonderful, and all those things. To express something very good, we use such words, right? Because they show strong feelings. Wow and hurrah, then alas, all these are interjunctions, right? That we shall study further. Okay, so now we use slightly different word order. In sentence 1, the normal word order should have been the butterfly is. how की जगह हम very beautiful डाल सकते हैं, right? And in the in the sentence 2, the normal word order should have been it is a great nuisance. It is a nuisance. Or if you want to intensify it, it is a big nuisance, right? That you can say. So we put a mark of exclamation at the end of an exclamatory sentences. So exclamatory sentences generally express strong feelings. Now let us move on to exercise 5. We shall do exercise 5. What is it? Rearrange the words in following groups to make meaningful sentences. Meaningful sentences मैंने ऐसे rearrangement करना है. The kind of sentence to be made is indicated in the brackets. बाजू में bracket में आपको जो type दिया है वैसा sentence आपको ये group of words का बनाना है. You told the story by what the moral of, right? इसको interrogative हमें बनाना है. So how will you make it interrogative? What is the moral of the story you told by you? What is the moral of the story told by you? And at the end there will be a question mark. Magnanimous her allow our all ignore of to weakness. इसका exclamatory बनाना है. तो how magnanimous of her to ignore all our weaknesses, and exclamation mark आएगा लास्ट में. How magnanimous मतलब she is very attractive or she is very kind to ignore all our weaknesses. To the agent did plan tour the itinerary satisfaction your. Interrogative बनाना है. Did the tour agent plan the itinerary to your satisfaction? Then put a question mark at the end because it's an interrogative sentence. Victory one behave defeat and should gracefully in both. Assertive बनाना है इसका. So how will you make one should behave gracefully in both victory and defeat, right? Defeat and victory दोनों दिया है आपको. So दोनों में you should be behaving gracefully. Is it achieve success to difficult cooperation friends over all without of. इसका assertive बनाना है. So how will you make assertive? Assertive is normal statement, right? It is difficult to achieve success without cooperation of all our friends. What performance gave that occasion an impressive she on? Make it exclamatory. Exclamatory sentence will end in an exclamation mark. यहाँ पे full stop आएगा because it's an assertive sentence. It's a normal statement. So what will we make? What an impressive performance she gave on that occasion, and end will be exclamatory mark. Blame your who would for you, failure, friends, yourself, or your, or. That is interrogative. Interrogative इसका बनाना है. So what will you do? Interrogative is question. Who would you blame for your failure, your friends or yourself? Who would you blame for your failures, your friends or yourself? Wisely save our using we environment can natural by our resources. Make it assertive, make it a normal sentence. We can save our environment by using our natural resources wisely. Right? Moving on to exercise 6. Rewrite the following passage using capital letters and putting in a full stop, a mark of interrogation or a mark of exclamation, but no comma where necessary. Right? Wherever necessary you should put a full stop. Wherever needed you should start with a capital letter. So the paragraph is given to you. The first sentence. One day when Suhina was coming home from school, she saw a magician. So यहाँ पे sentence खत्म हो रहा है. So put a full stop there. Now start with capital letter. One day when Suhina was coming home. One day when Suhina was coming home from school, comma, she saw a magician. Then full stop. Then there was a big crowd around him. There, put it capital T. There was a big crowd around him. Full stop. Again. He filled a glass with ink. He, capital H. He filled a glass with ink and covered it with a piece of red cloth. Right? He covered it with a piece of red cloth. So there should be full stop here. Next sentence starts with a capital letter. Then he chanted some magic words and pulled away the cloth. Then he chanted some magic words and pulled away the cloth. So यहाँ पे sentence खत्म हो रहा है. Then again, W will be capital. What a surprise! The ink had turned into rose petals. What a surprise! Right? There should be an exclamation mark here. The ink had turned into rose petals. Full stop. Then Suhina, that is capital S. Suhina immediately thought of her sick grandfather. Full stop. Grandfather के बारे में उसको एकदम से याद आया because वो sick है. Wouldn't this trick make him smile? Right? Grandfather के बारे में एकदम उसको ध्यान आया. तो wouldn't मतलब question है but it starts with a capital letter. So wouldn't this trick make him smile? Question mark. Then wouldn't it reduce his pain? Again W wouldn't का capital. Wouldn't it reduce his pain? Again question mark. Then Suhina S. S is again capital. Suhina learned the magic words from the magician and rushed home. Full stop. Suhina learned the magic words from the magician and rushed home. Again full stop. Then she, S is capital, she went to her grandfather and repeated the trick. Then again full stop. She went to her grandfather and repeated the trick. How hurt she felt. मतलब उससे वो trick हुआ नहीं. So she felt hurt. How hurt she felt to see that only ink came out of the glass. So how hurt, this is an exclamatory sentence, so there should be an exclamation mark here. Grandfather's clothes were spoiled too. Right? Grandfather के clothes भी spoil हो गए. यहाँ पे G will be capital because it's the start of new sentence. Grandfather's clothes were spoiled too. Put a full stop. Grandfather, however, burst into laughter and hugged Suhina. He could realize that what mistake Suhina made. It was a magician's trick, so Suhina couldn't do it. She couldn't learn it properly. So he burst into laughter. So grandfather, however, burst into laughter and hugged सुहीना हग्ड मतलब उसे गले लगा लिया. ओके, सो हियर द सेंटेंस इज ओवर. फुल स्टॉप. सुहीना का एस हर जगह पे कैपिटल आएगा, सो प्लीज डू दैट. Now further question tags. What are question tags that we shall study? The teacher was talking to the class about Anshu, who had made a beautiful painting. The teacher said, she has made a beautiful painting. Hasn't she? Now hasn't she here is the question tag. जब हम लोग किसी चीज़ को एम्फेसाइज करना चाहते हैं, पूछना चाहते हैं, तो हम लोग शॉर्ट में ऐसे क्वेश्चन टैग्स ऐड करते हैं. एंड ऑलमोस्ट एवरीबडी सेड येस मैम शी हैज़. When the teacher announced a prize for Anshu, Sneha said, we are proud of her. Aren't we? You haven't learnt painting in any school, have you? The teacher asked Anshu. And Anshu said, no ma'am, I haven't. Now look at these three sentences. She has made a beautiful painting, hasn't she? We are proud of her, aren't we? You haven't learnt painting in any school, have you? Right? All these are question tags. Each of these sentences has two parts. A statement, she has made a beautiful painting, and a short question, hasn't she? This short question is being tagged on to the statement, so it is called a question tag. Why do we use question tags in response to the question tag, hasn't she? The children say, yes ma'am, she has. This means that the children confirm that what the teacher says. Similarly, when the teacher says, you haven't learned painting in any school, have you? Anshu confirms that she hasn't. A question tag is a short question placed at the end of the statement, usually in informal English. The question tag is used to get a statement confirmed. Confirmation के लिए या emphasis के लिए हम question tags को use करते हैं. So let us study how we put the question tags. How to form question tags. She has made a beautiful painting, hasn't she? Take up your auxiliary verb to make the question tag, right? The question tag consists of two words, hasn't she? It has the same subject as the statement, she. We can use a pronoun of the same person as the subject. जो person होगा उसके अंदर if it is a girl you can use she, if it is a boy you can use he, right? So जो person होगा उसके हिसाब से you can choose the pronoun in your question tag. If the main subject has an auxiliary verb, the auxiliary verb is repeated in the question tag. ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब यहाँ पे हैज़ है, तो जो ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब सेंटेंस में होगा उसको क्वेश्चन टैग में रिपीट करते हैं. सो शी हैज़ मेड अ ब्यूटिफुल पेंटिंग, हैज़न्ट शी? सो हैज़ इज रिपीटेड एक्चुअली विथ नॉट, राइट? बिकॉज क्वेश्चंस आर अपोजिट टू व्हाट द स्टेटमेंट्स आर गिवन, राइट? टू वेरीफाई इट. So further, if the main sentence does not have any auxiliary verb, we use do, does, did in the question tag. This is also very important. If it does not have an auxiliary verb, auxiliary verb अगर नहीं होता है तो हम उसमें do, does, did ये सब use करते हैं to form the question tag. She won the first prize, didn't she? The auxiliary verb in the main sentence is not there, so we have used didn't यहाँ पे. The tense remains the same. If the statement is positive, the question tag is negative. This is very important point. Please learn this point. If the question is positive, the question tag will be negative. If the question is negative, the question tag will be positive. It is always opposite. If the statement is negative, the question tag will be positive. Example, यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे she has made a beautiful painting. मतलब has उसने किया है, तो it is a positive sentence. उसका अपोजिट हम लोग क्वेश्चन टैग में पूछते हैं, हैजंट शी, राइट? सो वी ऐड नॉट देयर. सो फर्दर, शी वन द फर्स्ट प्राइज, डिडंट शी? द ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब. ओके, ये हो गया. वी आर प्राउड ऑफ हर, आरंट वी? सो नॉट आया, आर नॉट बिकम्स आरंट, राइट? यू हैवेंट लर्नड पेंटिंग इन एनी स्कूल, हैव यू? यहाँ पे हैवेंट यानी हैव नॉट होता है, तो यहाँ नॉट लगा तो यहाँ से नॉट निकल गया, हैव यू, राइट? So negative statement, positive question tag, and positive statement, negative question tag. This is always opposite. So please remember this important point. The negative question tags, we usually use short forms of the negatives. Like have not becomes haven't, are not becomes aren't, right? Short forms we use. Let us take some more examples. Madhu is proud. Isn't she? Is not. Ka isn't she? You will give me your notes. Won't you? मतलब will not you का हो जाता है won't. He learnt painting in France. Didn't he? Mukul drives smoothly. Doesn't he? They cannot come so early. Can they? It is not fair to leave them behind. Is it? She does not tell lies. Does she? I don't owe you any money. Do I? Now, important point, we must not write such a sentence as Madhu is proud. Isn't it? Isn't it nahi hota hai. Madhu is a girl. So you have to say, isn't she, right? You cannot use it in place of a person unless it is an animal or a thing. Right? Isn't she? You will help me. Isn't it? You will help me. Won't you? Right? आपको subject को use करना पड़ेगा question tag में. Right? Okay, now next, how to form question tags? 2. I am. The question tag for I am is aren't I. This, please remember this point. The question tag for I am is aren't I. हम लोग am and I नहीं करते कभी भी. So please remember. I am right. Aren't I? Imperatives. After positive commands, both will you and won't you can be used. Please come in. Won't you? Post this letter on your way to the post office. Will you? After negative commands, we use will you? Don't forget to wake me up. Will you? Will you forget? No. I will not forget, right? Now let us, after letters, we use shall we. Letters के साथ हमको हमेशा shall we use करना होता है. Please remember this. After letters we use. Please underline these important points because otherwise you won't be understanding the points. Let us sit in the room. Let us sit in the sun. Shall we? Let us wait for the rain to stop. Shall we? Right? Now question tags. Positive statement, negative question tag. Negative statement, positive question tag. No change of tense is possible. Auxiliary in the statement, auxiliary repeated in the question tag. No auxiliary in the statement, do, does, did is used in the question tag. I am becomes that question tag is aren't I. Positive commands, the question tag will be will you or won't you. Negative commands, the question tag will be will you. And let us, the question tag is shall we. So now let us solve these exercise. Exercise 7, the appropriate question tags. Add appropriate question tags to the following sentences. She had not taken the necessary precautions. So what question tag will be? She had not taken the necessary precaution. Had she? Question mark. Comma करके question mark. Selfish people do not make good friends. Comma. Do they? Take good care of your old parents. Comma. Will you? Let us recycle the waste material. Shall we? Let us, we always write shall we. Then Mrs. Verma did not give clear instructions. Did she? Did is already given, so we will use did she. Then it takes both rain and sunshine to create a rainbow. So here there are non-living things, so we will use isn't it. Water is scarce. Don't waste even a single drop of water. Will you? Right? Then in this respect, I am absolutely fair. I am के साथ aren't use होता है. Aren't I? Amn't I कभी भी होता नहीं है. These bills won't take long to check. Will they? We are talking about the bills. So, will they? Intelligence without hard work is useless. Isn't it? Yes, because we are talking about some abstract nouns. That is why we use isn't it. So here we finish off the exercise, and next we have to move on to lesson 2, that is nouns, right? So that we shall continue next time. We stop here today. Write down all the important points that I have made you underline in your notebook. Exercise you can do here itself. so that whenever you want to refer, you can refer it. Write down all these underlined points in your notebook. It is important. This paragraph you have to write it in your notebook in homework, because this is not possible to do proper corrections over here. Okay, we stop here now.